left my boots by the old back door. Dust from roads I don't walk anymore. Coffee cooling, sun on the floor. Morning hums like it did before. I'm not lost, I just move real slow. Let the wind decide where I go. Every scar's just something I know. Like a map I don't have.
If you're creating AI music, whether it's on Suno, Udio, or inside your own DAW, you already know this problem. You make a solid track. The melody works. The voice sounds incredible. But when you upload it to YouTube or TikTok with a static image, the algorithm ignores it. If the screen isn't moving, people stop listening. You don't just need motion. You need visuals that actually match the story of your lyrics. The problem is, shooting a real music video is expensive. Locations, equipment, crews, it costs thousands and takes weeks. So today, I'm going to show you a different approach. We're going to look at a tool called Katalist AI and how you can use it to build cinematic visuals that actually support your song without the usual cost or complexity. And here's the important part. Creators are already using AI videos like this to grow YouTube channels, increase watch time, and turn simple AI-generated content into real ad revenue. In this video, we'll cover 3 specific workflows, starting with the blank project, generate video from idea, and presets for ultra-fast results. Let's get into it. Let's start with the blank project. This is for when you already have a clear vision and want to control every shot yourself. Here we are on the Katalist AI homepage. From the dashboard, click New Project, then select Blank Project. Here we name the project, choose the aspect ratio, and select an art style. I'm going with 16:9 horizontal, and I'll choose oil painting as the art style. This takes us to an empty canvas, where we can build a custom storyboard, frame by frame. From here, you can add characters. You can choose from presets or build one from scratch. You can also add locations, either by describing them or by using a reference image. Now let's go back to the storyboard. Here are the lyrics from my song, and we're going to build visuals one line at a time. Let's start with the first line. I left my boots by the old back door. I'll describe the scene to match the image I have in mind. And here we go. This is pretty much what we asked for. A wooden house, boots near the door, and the oil painting style is consistent. Now, where Katalist AI really stands out is that you're not stuck with the first result. If something feels off, you can fine-tune it or regenerate the image. In this case, the door looks a little strange, so I'll edit it and ask for a closed door instead. That's better. The alignment isn't perfect, but it's more than good enough for this scene. Let's move on. For the second frame, I want an empty dirt road. Now notice this. The house is still there, and the overall vibe stays consistent. That tells us the AI is remembering the context from the previous frame, which is important for visual continuity. I'll add a third frame as well. You'll also see the Katalist AI editing assistant here. You can select frames and prompt changes, switch to nighttime, adjust mood, or refine details. I'm happy with these, so let's move to the timeline. Here are our image frames laid out. I'll click Generate Videos. It takes about a minute. And here we go. The motion looks good. There is some jumping between frames, but that's expected, and transitions will smooth this out later. Now let's add our music. Go to Add Voice and Music and upload the song I generated in Suno. And here we are. Now we actually have motion that fits the mood of this acoustic folk track. At this point, you generate a few more similar B-roll clips, then sync everything properly inside a video editor. And here's how the finished section looks afterward.
I left my boots by the old back door. Dust from roads I don't walk anymore. Coffee cooling, sun on the floor. Morning hums like it did before. I'm not lost, I just move real slow. Let the wind decide where I go. Every scar's just something I know. Like a map I don't have.
Now let's move to the second workflow. This one is faster and works great for story-driven songs. Go to New Project, then select Generate from Idea or Script. Instead of describing each frame manually, you can upload an existing script or just describe an idea. You don't need camera angles here. Just describe the concept. I'll type a cyberpunk story about a hacker running through a futuristic market to deliver a data chip while dodging security drones. High energy, neon colors. I'll keep it to 10 scenes and click Generate Script. Katalist AI now creates a full script and breaks it into scenes automatically. I'll choose the horizontal aspect ratio again and move on. For visual style, I'll select Cinematic. Here's our cast. You can edit any character by clicking the pencil icon, change clothing, descriptions, or appearance. Now we're in the storyboard view, and the visuals are being generated. We see the hacker, the market, action scenes, and the final handoff to a character named Cypher. Once it looks good, I'll hit Create Video. Now the frames appear on the timeline. I'll click Generate All Videos. We'll keep the video model as Google VO3 and let it animate the scenes. And now our motion visuals are ready. Let's preview them. Overall, this looks solid. There is some inconsistency between frames, but for longer narrative videos, that's acceptable. What's missing now is music. At the bottom right, click Add Voice and Music, then upload your audio file. I don't have one ready, so I'll quickly generate a track in Suno. I'll describe the same idea and create an instrumental soundtrack. Let's listen. That works really well. I'll download it and upload it back into Katalist as background music. There's still room for improvement in consistency, but the visuals clearly match the cyberpunk mood and support the music. This workflow ensures you're not creating random clips. You're building visuals that actually fit your audio. Finally, let's look at the third workflow. This is the cheat code for when you need visuals fast. On the dashboard, scroll down to Presets and select 80s Rock Concert. This preset preloads the stage, lights, crowd, and band. You can still customize it, but the heavy lifting is already done. I'll choose the comic book style and again, horizontal aspect ratio. Here's the cast in comic style, and just like before, we have a storyboard ready to go. Presets are all about speed. Right now, the main music-related preset is this rock concert one, but hopefully we'll see more added in the future. So those are the 3 ways to use Katalist for music. Blank project for full creative control, generate from idea for story-driven visuals, presets for fast performance style videos. When you're done, just hit export. You can export the final video, the images, or even a Premiere profile, so you can fine-tune timing, transitions, and sound mixing. And here's the key takeaway. You already put time into your music. Don't let it die under a static image. If you're making AI music in 2026, visuals are no longer optional. They're part of the song. And if your goal is to grow a channel, increase watch time, or eventually earn ad revenue from AI-generated content, this is exactly the kind of workflow you should be learning right now. The link to try Katalist is in the description. It's free to start. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel. You don't need a camera, a crew, or a big budget. You just need a system that works. So go give your next track the video it actually deserves.